Hi, child. I come to you today with a message of hope and transformation. Listen to me closely, for changes are coming to your life. I am paving the way for opportunities to find your heart, and unexpected blessings will come your way. I can assure you that God is dependable and keeps His word. Just like the sun rises every morning, you will experience a rapid and profound alteration. I'll say it again. Your life will abruptly alter. While you seek the best path, I am working behind the scenes to lead you to the right person, to improve your health, and to relieve all your financial worries. Trust in me, for I am shifting things in your favor. Your heart may be anxious now, but I want you to know that I am with you every step of the way. Trust in me, for I am your protector and guide. Do not fear the uncertainties of the future, for I am writing a story of victory in your life. Remember, my child, that I am the God who never fails. My love for you is infinite, and my mercy is renewed every morning. Believe that extraordinary things are reserved for you. Say it with me again. I am fortunate and victorious. Allow this message to grow your faith and enter your heart. Have faith in the transformation, since it has already started. I am with you every step of the way, setting the stage for a bright future. You will see miracles happen if you continue to have faith in me. Now go in peace, knowing that I am your God and I am by your side. Believe in me and the promises I make to you. My child, I bless you with joy, health, prosperity, and love. Trust in me, for great things are coming your way. Comment if you believe.